Hello, YouTubers. I'm Miley.
I'm Sam.
Yeah, Blondie.
Miley is going to sing for you.
I'm gonna sing Fort Minor. Where'd you go? It's really good song.
No, that has played you.
I'm sorry.
I don't know.
You
Okay,
do.
Go ahead.
Where'd you go? I miss you so. It seems like it's been forever since you've been gone. She said some days I feel like crap. Some days I want to quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone. I get along, but the trip always feels so long, and I find myself trying to stay by the phone because your voice always helps me when I feel so alone, but I feel like an idiot working my day around the call. But when I pick up, I don't have much to say, so I want you to know it's a little freaked up that I'm stuck here waiting at prompt debate and telling you that I had it with you in your career. When you come back, I won't be here and you could sing it. Whatever. Well, where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever since you've been gone. Please come back home. Yeah.
What'd you do now?
I don't know.
So
But yeah,
that was
nice.
Miley singing.
It sucks.
No, you're actually really good singer. So no, stop. Don't press that stop button.
I want to.
No. Okay. Now what? You're singing another song, Miley.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly.
What is that?
Every time my heart beats fast, I wanna know why. Cat. Scatter. I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I reach for the stars. Can't you feel my heartbeat go? It's taking control.
You're so
Thank you, I am. She's riding on my hand.
Yes, yes I am. Don't do that in loser.
Every time we touch, I still hear your voice when you
Hold on, you
sleep
can have my seat in a
next
minute.
to me. I still feel your touch in my dreams. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you hear my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. That song.
Wrong.
It sucks. Okay.
Shut your face.
My face can't shut.
I'll make it shut.
Well, you can't. Instrumental. She really did spell that wrong. Let's go. Miley is a awesome.
And what? How? That's a singer, doofus. Fix it if you want.
Look, it looks like it's just. That's mean. You know what? That's mean. I don't care if I spell it wrong. Life has been forever since you've been gone.